Good morning, everyone. Today I will be demonstrating on how to provide digital content and instruction in Canvas using the USPF sample course template. So, as part of the step 2 in quick start checklist for teaching with Canvas elements. Step 2 is you need to plan what you're going to teach. So before you put it in Canvas, you will make sure that you already have a plan. So I have a sample learning plan. Let's say for the week, like week 1 is about introduction, then a sample topic could be capabilities of online. This is my sample topic, and then after the where I'm going to add file, the slide, and then after that they're going to have uh, group discussion, the cool things you can do with Canva, and then of course a quiz, a wrap-up quiz about Canvas elements. Okay, so it's really important that you need to plan what you're going to teach, and so that you could arrange your content and instruction. So let's start. Click on the specific course where you're going to create your modules and add digital content. So this course already have a template. So if your course doesn't have a template, check out the videos on how to use and apply USPF sample course template. Okay, so then just click on here, modules. So modules will let you organize your content and instruction, as well as uh, your student will have a structured way of learning. So this is your guide. This is the sample guide that I mentioned. So let's start. Click on plus module. So let's add a module. So our module would be, let's say that's our module week 1 introduction. Then we could add prerequisite. Like for example, they need to go to first welcome page before um, they could go to with the week 1, or you could have no prerequisite depending on you. Okay, so let's say add module. Now this is our module. I can drag this first. Then based on the learning plan, next is we need to provide now our topic. But I want you to add this one first, module 1 introduction. So we could have it here, add. So it's very important. It's a page actually to provide a specific instruction as much as possible. Module 1, review, to-do list. Okay. Then click on it. So your module 1 introduction, to-do list, you could edit on your instructions right here. To-do list, review module, lecture presentation. So let's say you don't have the reading part, or you say review and read module lecture presentation. Then you have join classmate and group discussion regarding topic, and then take the quiz. So these are instructions, very simple. Make sure that you should have instruction. Then you have save. Okay, then let's go back to our modules again. Okay, now you have the module overview to the list. Then next, let's add the file. So let's have click on file, then new file. Let's say browse the file here. and then click open. Click add item. Now you have your PowerPoint. Then after you have the topic, then you create a group discussion. So you could also use the sample guide here. Click file, discussion. Then you have the sample group discussion here, capabilities of Canvas, and add item. So let's go to the, you can modify on this. So like for example, we have instruction. Let's say you delete here. Okay, let's say you have your guidelines here. So let's say we will have your guidelines or your instruction. So you are going to write your instruction. To modify, you need to give your prompt. For example, I have a sample here and then a guideline. You could modify that. And then once you're done, you have to provide points. Is this a group discussion? Yes, it's a group discussion. I know. And then point, for example, it's a graded 10 points. That's fine. Then when is it due? Is it due in a week? And then save. 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 You can go back to your module. So now you have a group discussion. Last but not the least is under our learning plan is a quiz. So let's click plus, and then let's have quiz. Let's say you create your quiz beforehand. Say you have it here, quiz, but you can also modify your quiz. You just click on it and give the instruction, and of course you want to add questions here. These are your questions. You add questions. What are your, is it a multiple choice and other? Provide your questions here, and then the multiple choice, your option. Then you just have to update question. Okay. And then you go to the data. So let's say you're done with doing your question, and then save it. You can also, okay, so let's go back to your modules. Okay, so now you have now that you have now your first module, you've already added your file, and then you created your group discussion, and you also add quiz. So next step is, do not forget to publish it, especially the module title. Okay, so let's try to check how it looks like in student view. You click on settings, and then you have here student view. So this is a good way to check whether your content and structure is already okay. So click on modules. This is what your student will see. Then they can already see the overview, to-do list, the PowerPoint that you attach, and the group discussion, so as the quiz. So that's it. If you have questions and further queries while going through this tutorial, please feel free to send me a private message or email at edutech@usbf.edu.ph. Thank you, and enjoy exploring Canvas.